Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete your Smule account. Now if you want to delete your Smule account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Smule app on the device. So if you have not installed the Smule app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Smule app, and this is the home page of Smule where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar like feed, and in this feed you will be able to see all of the people who are using this Smule app. And if you click on the option of explore, you'll be able to explore all of the trending recordings and all of it. So goes on like this. So in the songs book you'll be able to see all of the songs. Now to delete your account you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and from here you just need to click on the option of three straight lines at the very top right. So after that you just need to click on the option of settings. So under settings you will see various options. So you just need to scroll down until you see the option of delete account, which is under the support section. So you just need to click on the option of delete account, and here you'll see the option of why are you leaving Smule. So you just need to select the reason why you are leaving it. So if you see the option of I created an account by mistake, I don't want to use the app, I can't afford it, and you'll see various options like this. So you just need to select the options and you just need to click on the option of continue, and here you'll see the page where it says one last thing before you go. By checking the boxes below you agree to the following statements, and you will see the option that says I understand that deleting my account won't automatically cancel my subscription. So if you are a VIP member, you just need to cancel your subscription first and you will be able to delete your account. So you just need to select the option and click on the option of delete my account, and it says are you sure you want to delete your account, and your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So that's it. That's how you can delete your Smule account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.